the broadcast.
Oh
no! So what if we just maybe we can just say that we've gone over all of these questions and that we're at question 13.
Yeah.
Okay, so we did go through question 1 through 13. Unfortunately, I had not started the broadcast. I just realized that I needed to start it. So we are on question 13, and so we're just gonna pick it up from there. Question 13, it says, what decision do you make? So that one, I have reject the null hypothesis.
Yep, that's what I got.
And then I can go ahead and read number 14 as well. It says,
okay.
Based on your response from the previous question, what conclusion do you make? So for that one, oh, go ahead.
Oh, I was just going to say, I got insufficient evidence that there is a mean difference between the two groups.
You said insufficient?
Yes.
Okay, so that one I think is actually sufficient.
Oh, sufficient.
Yeah. So the third one.
I got the second part right.
Okay, cool. You want to go into number 15?
Yeah. As we have seen, the p-value depends on the alternative hypothesis in general, which alternative hypothesis will give the smallest p-value.
So that one, I think we actually don't have enough information.
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah, so I think it would be the third one. Okay, and then it says determine the 95% confidence interval for the mean difference between the two groups using group 1 minus group 2. Input your answers below. So what is the point estimate for the 95% confidence interval? So that one I got 11.955.
Yes.
Is that what you got as well?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay, cool. And then 17 says, what is the margin of error for this 95% confidence interval? What you get for that one?
3.199.
Okay, that one I did get a different one. I got a 6.652.
Oh, okay. I put the wrong number in for the standard deviation.
Oh, I see. Yeah, so that one would be 6.652. And then number 18, it says input the lower bound. Hey, Kelsey.
Oh, did Kelsey make it?
Yeah, she's here.
No, Kelsey didn't make it.
Oh, hello, Kelsey.
I'm a metaphysical being. Okay, so
cool. So we are on question 18, but I was telling Caitlin that I forgot to hit the start broadcast button, and so we didn't get like the first 15 questions of the quiz.
Okay.
So we can give you what we got for the answers. And then right now we are on question 18. We can catch up to question 18.
Okay. Well, if I may counter something else, what time is it? Would it just be cool if like I looked at it and tried to figure it out, and then we compare and contrast the answers? Because I noticed, like on the quizzes myself, I haven't been doing it.
On the quizzes, what? Sorry.
On the quizzes myself, like when I do them by myself, I haven't been doing so well. And so.
Oh, okay.
So do you want to look through it really quick by yourself?
Yeah, here. So, let's see if I can. I can't mute you guys. But I'll mute myself, and I'll go through it.
So, Caitlin,
Yeah.
I do have to. I don't have much time right now, just because I have to start getting ready for tomorrow and putting my daughter to bed.
Yeah.
I don't know if you. I don't know if Kelsey, if you would like us to kind of like give you the answers, and then if you want to work towards that, or.
Oh, Kelsey, you're still muted.
Yeah.
I started talking. I was like, I was like, okay, yeah. Honestly, we can just do that, and then I will work through it in my own time.
Or I can wait for you.
To wait for me?
Well, I got nothing. All
Yeah.
I would have to do is clean, so I don't want to do that.
Well, if there's a way that Isaac can switch the host over so he can pull out, then
that's
true.
Maybe what I can do is I'll just I'll let my computer run, and then I'll check in later. Like I said, right now if you can just send me a text when you're done, and then I can stop the broadcast then.
Okay.
Yeah, that way I can stop it, and then I'll add the link onto it.
Sweet.
Okay, so Caitlin, I'm ready for my first question. So question 1, I just take those and I plug them into the table, right? So D bar is 2.2, that's the mean, N is the sample, and SD is 3.3. So that's standard deviation.
Sorry, repeat what you just said.
So D bar so if I was to put this into Excel, D bar is, oh goodness, sorry. That's really difficult. So D bar is, I would put D bar where the mean is, and the standard deviation of the difference is where standard deviation goes, and the sample, obviously where the sample goes.
Yes.
Okay, cool. Because then that will, so is the first answer 2, the test statistic?
Yeah.
Okay. So that's 2. And then probability of a test statistic is 4.001. Determine the p-value for Jordan's hypothesis test. Is that decimal they just gave me the standard error of the mean? Or
Okay, this was the one that I was confused about. And so how we did it is there's the new applet, the student's T probabilities applet that we use.
right. Okay.
So you put the degrees of freedom in, and then you put the T in.
And how many degrees is it? It's 9, so it's 8. And then do we put that T in the area?
No, you put it on the bottom where the Z-score
Where the Z-score goes? Okay. And it's 0.0403, right?
No, you'd put 2.
Oh, 2? Oh, it
Mhm.
just said the probability. This is like your probability of obtaining a test statistic greater than Jordan's. Test statistic is 0.403. Use this probability to determine p-value. Oh. But well, yeah, because that's right now. The area is right. But that still doesn't tell me p-value.
And what'd you get for your area?
My area is 0.0403.
Did you move the thingies at all?
Oh, no.
Okay.
Yeah.
What did you put on the
Bottom, I put 2.
and what'd you put on the degrees of freedom?
8.
Really?
Yeah, here.
Because I get 0.0805.
Here, hold on.
That's the only thing I'm confused about.
Oh, wow, screen caption isn't that bad this time. So that's what I did. So I put 2 down here. 8 degrees here. And then greater than. Oh, is greater than that?
Oh, you have.
Because I just highlighted that.
Yeah, you need to put the other one in.
That one?
No, the left side.
What's the left side? Oh, is
No.
that the...
You click on here. Wait, how do I?
I don't think you can screen share when I'm screen sharing. Ah! Do 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 do.
I refreshed it.
You're good.
8.
Mm-hmm.
See, so you highlight the left side and the right side, but not the middle.
Oh, left side and how? Why?
I'm not sure.
And that answer was correct?
I haven't submitted it yet. I haven't.
No, that's fine. Because
Okay.
we'll keep that in mind.
now.
I use the data file now. Be sure the test does group 1 minus group 2.
Yeah, it was correct.
It was correct?
Mhm.
Okay. Form a paired sample t-test. The test does group 1 minus group 2. Isn't that just what we have here?
Oh.
Like in the paired sample? Isn't that what we're doing already? Is it subtracting those differences?
So do you have the
Yeah, the Excel sheet. That's what I'm asking.
quantitative inference sheet? Yeah, okay, you
Yeah,
have it.
I call it Lifesaver.
Yeah, so you put group 1 into variable 1.
Okay, so it's the paired sample. Okay, that's what I was worried about.
Oh, yes, it is. Sorry.
No, you're good. That's what I was double checking. Is because yeah, I started the homework, but then I didn't quite finish.
You mean the
surprise.
prep assignment?
Yeah, the prep.
I'm like, I haven't started the homework yet, so you're a step ahead of me.
Okay, all right. So I've got that done, and let me go back to the question. It's not equal. I've got that. Level of significance is 0.1. What is the test statistic? 2? Is it 2 again?
What question is it? Oh, okay, I got it. It's not 2.
Well, no, I saw what happened. I
Oh,
think.
okay.
Let's go. Yeah, so okay. So that's 20. That's not 24. I have 24. That's 20. So n is 19. Right? N minus 1 is 19. Oh, that's for a different problem. It's just 20 is. No, it's 19, right? For the n for this?
The n.
Yeah.
The n would be the number of variables you have.
Which is 19.
I believe so, yes.
All right. How about for t-score? 0.396.
Nope.
I'm a failure. Okay.
This is for question 5, right?
Yeah, I'm using the data file sheet for A.
Okay.
How about 0.407?
Yes.
Okay, I know what I did. I had put a number in for n when I didn't need to. 0.407.
Sorry, I
Save.
have so many tabs open that I keep
You
switching
are
back
good.
and forth.
P-value is a 0.689.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, was the decision correct based on this evidence? Yeah, we failed to reject with that, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Suppose your alternative hypothesis is okay. And that's alternative is greater than, right? So my type of test is greater than. Oh no, less than. Right? It's less than.
What do you...
I'm on 7. It's saying, so suppose your alternative hypothesis instead is HA semicolon UD is greater than 0. Oh no, that'd be greater than, huh? Because it's saying it's greater than 0. Let me fix that. Right?
Yes.
Okay. All right. And so that means that the p-value... Oh, no, it doesn't want to know that. It just wants to know. We have sufficient evidence to say that the mean of difference is greater than 0, right? Because the p-value is higher than the level of significance.
You're close. It's the insufficient evidence.
It failed?
Yeah. Because remember, that's what you put on the question above that.
Oh, right. Fail to reject is insufficient. Reject is sufficient.
Don't worry.
Right.
I mix them up all the time.
So confusing. Okay, now let's go to data B while I cry myself to sleep.
Oh.
I'm kidding. Like, learn 90% of the time, I'm usually being sarcastic.
Yeah.
Because it helps me get through rehab. I mean, not rehab, but you know.
Helps me get through rehab.
Oh, Kelsey, what have you done? All right, data B. Give me a sec to copy this all over. Don't mind me, I've got Joseph stuck in my head. Why am I here? I'm supposed to be here. I went to the wrong place and I started looking. I was like, I can't find my statistics.
You're fine.
Because I'm on the wrong page. Here, and then it's with formatting. Got it. All right. Now that I've got that set up, what is my question? Da 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 da.
Which is greater, N or DF?
N or DF? Okay. Well, I'm no doctor. DF is 21. They're the same.
No, they're not.
What? 5 minus 26 is 21.
Look at the N.
I don't have N filled. Oh, N is 22.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, whoa. Oh, whoa. I didn't notice that before. Oh, wow. High tech. So N is greater.
Yes.
And what is the p-value? That is... Oh, crap. 0.001.
Yes.
All right. What decision do you make? We reject, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right. And then suppose that you say it's greater than again. Did the p-value increase or decrease? I had it set it greater than. Oh, I was lucky. Well, because it was still, because if you do greater than, it was 0.0006. So I would have had to round up to 1 anyway.
Oh,
So I set it to greater than and it decreased.
yep.
What decision do you make? We reject.
Yes.
Based on your response, what conclusion do you make? What was our question? Hold on. Not equal to 0. So we have sufficient evidence to say that there's no mean difference between the two groups?
No.
Or that there is a mean difference? Because it's sufficient, right? Because we rejected it.
Yes.
Okay, so it's sufficient evidence that there is a mean difference.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, weird. As we've seen, the p-value depends on the alternative hypothesis. In general, which alternative hypothesis will give the smallest p-value? Okay, I'm just going to say this. It's probably wrong. I would say it just depends on the problem.
Yeah, that's correct.
Oh, okay.
I know every time we have questions like that, it's always like, oh, that's wrong. You just chose the easy way out. But it's correct.
Seriously. Okay. Determine the 95% confidence interval for the mean difference between the two groups. What two groups?
The ones in your Excel spreadsheet.
Okay, I just want to double check. What is the point of estimate for this 95% confidence interval? Now that's the sample mean, right? And the point of estimate is the same as the sample mean?
Yes, but
Okay.
it'd be in the differences.
Yeah, so 11.9555, but it's probably going to ask me to round because it's... Oh, no. Ow. Like I was going on a tangent.
Yeah.
What is the margin of error? Okay. Margin of error is 3.199?
No.
What?
I did that same thing at first.
Okay, so...
You're gonna
the
have to
standard
put it
error
in
of the mean. Okay, this is the one I'm going to have to calculate by myself, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're using t-score for that one. So we use the 3.737, that's 5737, and then that's times our standard deviation, which we use the differences one,
Yes.
and then that is divided by the square root of the differences of n.
Yes.
I'm learning. Okay, and so that gave me 11.953.
That is not the right answer.
What? How did I get wrong?
Oh.
So it's t times s over the square root of n, right?
That's so. Maybe you need to use the confidence interval instead. Try using 1.96 instead of 3.37.
1.96. I'm trying to see where I see that. Leave me alone.
This would be the critical value of the confidence level.
Critical value, isn't that t?
Well, I'm using the other formula to see. Oh, it's still not
I'm
right.
just trying to see where you got the 1 point number because I'm not seeing
It's in the
Oh,
see if you can
oh,
see
oh,
this table.
oh, you mean the, okay,
But you still didn't get the right answer. I can't.
0.95 you said?
96.
96, okay. Times, let's try this again. And it's 15.003, right? Divide by square root
Of n.
Hold on, I've got to undo it. I made a mistake.
You're fine.
Oh, crap. I messed up the formula in t-score.
Just click the undo button.
It only let me undo so far, and it wouldn't let me go back.
Uh-oh. You can always re-download it later.
Okay, can you see is your Excel sheet open?
Yes.
Can you tell me what the t-score formula is, and I'll just jot it back in super quick?
Uh-huh. Give me a second. Oh, here we go. T-score. Here, I'll screen share it.
Okay.
Because it's complicated. It's up here.
Okay. Where's G18? G18, and that was minus F10?
Yeah, with, what are those? Dollar
What are
signs? I believe.
Give me a second. Yeah.
Yeah, they are.
Dollar sign. Dollar sign. Okay. Back at that formula. Divided by I-18.
Uh-huh.
There we go. I reset it.
Sweet.
Now, take it back up here. And then the number we said was 1.96. How about 0.417 or 418?
Nope.
I hate myself. Okay.
I'm
I'm being facetious. Okay. Let me read the question again. What is the margin of error for this 95% confidence interval? And the usual formula is D bar minus plus or minus t-score times. Oh, maybe it's just z-score? Oh, but we just did z-score, right?
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Wait. Sorry, I'm confusing myself now.
Sorry. Okay, while you're looking at that, just to confirm for the confidence intervals, the lower is 5.303 and the higher is 18.607.
No.
What?
Because you used the margin of error to find those.
Okay.
I just can't remember how I got the margin of error.
I don't understand.
Here, give me a... Math is not my strong suit. It hurts my brain.
It usually is for me, so the fact that I'm struggling is like throwing me off.
What is the 955? Well, the t-score. What did you say the t-score was?
3.737.
37. N is 22. 4.6904. And the standard deviation, 15. 3 divided by Nope, that's supposed to be 0. I got a totally different answer.
So, was the answer that you typed in and submitted right?
Pardon?
Was the answer that you typed in for the quiz and submitted right?
Uh-huh.
Okay, just tell me that. We'll move on.
6.652.
A weird number.
Yep.
I wonder if that's anything on here. No. Weird.
The confidence interval is on there. I didn't notice that before. Huh.
Okay. Now, where would I put that error at
That.
to determine the confidence interval?
It's just 11.955 plus or minus 6.652. The confidence interval.
Oh, so the mean confidence interval is the mean plus or minus?
Yeah.
Okay.
But as you can see, the applet, the Excel actually has it next to the p-value.
Yeah, but that was the 5.303 and 18.607. You said I was wrong.
I thought you said something else.
Oh, no, but that's right.
Yeah.
Okay, that makes me feel better.
I heard like a 2.
Oh, no. 18 points.
I'm just being all sorts of confusing tonight. I'm sorry.
Honestly, I'm easily confused, so don't blame yourself too hard. Okay, I think I did it. Let's see. Watch, I typed in something wrong, and you'll hear me like scream. 222111111111111101111. I'm kidding. I got it all right. Okay.
Sweet.
All right. Cool. Thank you for that.
Yeah.
That was crazy. We'll definitely have to figure out that margin of error. We'll have to ask. Wait, you guys did that one on this video, right?
Yes.
Hit. You know what that means, right?
You're gonna go back and rewatch it?
We all can. Like, once it's posted by Isaac, we can all literally go back to the section that you guys did that problem and stare at how the heck you guys solved it.
I'm gonna have to do that. I'm just having one of those
Seriously.
absent-mindedness sort of situation. I have so much to read for all my stupid classes.
Mm-hmm.
I printed all this out and I have to read it all.
Oh, that's horrible.
It's like a textbook in of itself. Well, I'm glad I was able to be a little helpful.
I do appreciate it, yeah.
I gotta go.
I do too. I've got insert thing to read.
Sweet. Okay. Do you want to text Isaac or do you want me to?
I can do it. You can do it. Does not particularly matter to me.
I can go ahead and do it.
Hey, I actually just walked into the room.
Oh, never mind.
So yeah, I'll go ahead and post the link. And
Yeah.
then the only other thing that I wanted to mention is that I know I had said I could do it next Thursday, but I won't be able to make it in because I have a temple trip with the youth for baptisms for the dead.
Okay.
Yeah, so sorry about that.
No,
No, you're good.
Yeah.
But the thing is, as well, is I'd love to do them, but as the play is getting closer, I think our rehearsals are going to get later and later. So we can always say, like, we can always put me to do it. My worry is just that I'll be late like I was tonight.
I can do it on Thursday if you want me to.
Okay.
All right, sounds good.
All right, then we will see whoever's here Thursday.
Thank you, guys.
Yeah.
Bye.
Good luck. Have a good day tomorrow. Bye.